Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a lot of updates I'm excited to share with you. If you're new here, welcome to our surf shack. My dad's helping us build all kinds of beautiful furniture for our new space. So here's what we've been up to. Since my last video, we built a bookshelf, a pinboard, we got our silverware came in, a TV stand, and then some other small updates, and I'm going to share it all with you in this video. So for the bookshelf, we were able to use all materials that my dad had sitting around in his barn. We built the entire thing out of 3/4 finished plywood, and to assemble it we used a Kreg jig. This allowed us to hide all the screws and give the bookshelf a really nice, clean, finished look. I'm so happy my dad thought to pick one of these up. After we got the entire piece assembled, we let the glue dry overnight, and then we did a little router on the edges, and then my dad sanded it all down. We cleaned it off and brought it over to our place, and I'm so happy with it. Like, look how perfect it is. So the pinboard, this is for our den/office. All we did was pick up 1-inch foam insulation board, a shower curtain because I didn't like any of the canvases. We ironed it and nailed it all down with a little staple gun, and brought it over, hung it on the wall, and now it's so fun to decorate. Now the TV stand. So to start off, we got the white ash from Highland Hardwoods and brought it home, ran it through the planer, and then we really wanted like a wide piece of wood. So we used the biscuit joiner and made all the holes down each piece of wood, put a ton of wood glue, and then put the biscuits and jointed those together. We used literally all the clamps my dad has. So we did this entire process twice, joining the wood together, because there's 2 shelves on the TV stand, so you'll see 2 of them up here. So after completing the 2 shelves, we needed to do the 2 legs. They have that same wide look. So for these, we actually did 3 pieces of wood across, and they turned out beautifully. It was the same process. We did 1 long piece and then cut it to fit as the legs. So in total, there's 3 huge pieces and required so many clamps. So after everything dried, we ran the big pieces through the joiner. This is the new tool we were waiting on. It helps square up all of the edges on the board and keeps them really nice and smooth. So as you run it through more, I think this helped it turn out really nice. So then it was time to assemble the piece, like my most favorite part. You get to see everything start to come together. So after sanding it down a bit, my dad used the Kreg jig again. He made all the pocket holes that way we could assemble the legs to the top shelf. Now for the second shelf, we did something a little different. He made like the holes for the screws. We put the screws in and attached the second shelf. And then with this tool, he popped out little holes. And then we're able to use pieces of the same type of wood to then fill them in with some wood glue, let it dry, and then we sanded them over. And this really hid everything perfectly. It was the coolest technique. We went back and forth with the idea of rounding the edges to give it that round look, but we decided just to leave it as is because we really liked how it looked. So my dad sanded the whole thing down one last time and we were finished. And here is the finished product. I am so happy with it. We're working on hiding all the cords and getting everything decorated. We just brought it in, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's just beautiful and it's a piece we will have forever. And then some of the smaller updates we made, we got this surfboard. Albie picked it up for me from Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to do one of these projects with it. Our silverware came in from France. Look how beautiful it is. We ordered 4 different sets, so 4 different colors, and I just think it's perfect. This is like perfect for us right now. In the future, we can order more different colors, and it's just so fun. Another thing we did was we changed out this light above the kitchen. It was a black one before, like more doctor's office vibes, and this just fits our space better. And we also swapped the one in our bedroom. So our next project is the corner shelf. We already have all the wood for it. We got it when we got the wood for the TV stand. It's the same white ash, so it'll match the TV stand. We have an inspo pick we're working off of. This is what we're going for. We'll probably tweak it a little bit, but we are getting started on this one this week. I will share updates on my Instagram, and I will show the whole build here once it's done. After that, we're thinking like some side tables for the living room, some bedside tables, and eventually like a day bed for the den. So many projects, and we're having so much fun. If you have any questions on how we built any of the pieces so far, just drop them below and I'll have my dad answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for being here. I cannot wait to share more soon. Bye for now.